welcome to balcony cabin 9738. And on the outside of your door, you'll see at home, do not disturb, and makeup room. And as you come in, you've got the little controls here, and it's your temperature. You've got makeup room, do not disturb, your hot and cold. And then right here, you have to put your key card for your room in the door for the lights. Got your light switch right here for the main lights. And as we come in, we do have safety instructions on the back side of the door. And it shows where you are. And then it also shows where our muster station is. And it shows right here how you would get there in an emergency. Pay attention to that, because you never know. The closet is an open closet. We're right behind the door. Kind of weird if you ask me. Not sure how that's going to be. It'll work for my dresses though. And then right next to it, we do have another closet. We have drawers down here for undies, shoes, whatever you would like to put in them. And then you have a little, I believe it's a little pull down shelf right here. Or you can leave it up. So if you have longer stuff, you're going to want to leave this one up. But if you have shorter stuff, you can put it down. It gives you extra storage space. And you do have hangers included. On the right hand side, it has the mirror on the front of the door. You do have more hanging space right here. Your safe is down here. So if you do have a little bit of back problems, I don't know if that might be an issue for you. We'll see how that goes. More shelving, pull out drawers right here. So that will do it for the closet. We're going to go into the bathroom. And the bathroom's on the right hand side. So the bathroom. Step in here. And we have the toilet.
The commode.
It does have enough room, you know, if you're a little bit fluffier. I'm a little bit fluffier. You do have your sink and your vanity right here. You do have storage underneath here with a trash can. And that's a nice size sink. And over here to the right hand side, you got wash towels and a couple of cups. And you can set your stuff here. You got hand soap provided for you. You have a razor outlet right here. And this is nice mirror if you want to do your makeup in here. A little piece of shelving right here. And we do have a glass door for the shower. And the shower is ample space, as you see.
Throw them bowls, baby. Throw them bowls. Elbows up.
See, I don't touch. And you've got your dryer line up here. Some people like to use it, some people do not. You actually have your Norwegian amenities right here. You've got the body wash and shampoo conditioner all in one. You've got shelving. You have a nice little leg thing for shaving your legs, ladies. I want to say it's a rainfall shower, but it's really not.
It is and then it isn't.
But it is detachable. You have the different setting. And this one actually says rain. This one says something spray, jet, and rain number 2. Can do with this. This is an adjustable shower. So we have hanging space on the door right here and right next to the bathroom. So you can hang up like your bathing suit stuff, anything you would like to hang. Over here we have a couch. I don't think it's a pull-out bed. I think it's just a couch. And to the left, we have your desk area or vanity area. I'm not sure what you want to call it. But over here, we do have regular American plugs right here, 2 Americans. And that's a phone socket right there with a regular phone. And over here to the left, we have American socket, USB-C, USB, and European. And we have a veterans program. We do have a drawer underneath so you can put your makeup and stuff in there. The light, let me see if I can. The light, ladies, on the mirror is really good. I would say it's really good for makeup, but I am going to test that later, so I will let you know. The switch is over here.
Ooh.
So they have a Samsung TV.
Which means possibly you can do the screen mirroring.
So we're going to see if I can screen mirror to the Samsung TV. We got little tissue box right here. A couple of shelving with cups, glasses right here. This is where your cooler or mini fridge is.
Cooler.
It's a cooler. My bad. And it's really basic. And the water, as you can see, they're going to charge you for the water. But we have a drinks package, so we'll see.
If you happen to be a veteran and you're signed up for the Veterans Program, they will go ahead and give you a packet with an op order, with an actual op order, a patch, Velcro patch that you could put on,
And
a little pin,
a little military pin, and
Norwegian code of vacation. It's
And-
kind of cute. They named it. They try to make it out like an op order.
and along with that,
A Norwegian challenge coin. Who knew?
so underneath the vanity, you have this little poofy stool thingy.
Poopy stool.
Got your hair dryer. It has its own hair dryer holder. Out the way. Got your trash can. Okay, now we're gonna make our way over to the bed area. You've got your standard nightstand right here with 2 drawers. Pretty nice sized drawers here. And you've got a regular plug right here. Looks like you have a night light and regular. There is plugs on this lamp right here. One is USB-C and the other side is USB. We have the bed. Twin size beds pushed together makes a king bed.
Enough
Plenty
space for
of storage space underneath for your suitcases. Over on the left hand side of the bed is closer to the sliding glass doors. You've got a little tiny lamp here. And it does have USB-C and USB on it. Little tiny
cubby hole.
cubby hole. I guess that's what you want to call it. I don't say big. It's good size. Good size. But I don't know. Ooh, wait. It does work. Yay. Over here we have the balcony door. And we do have a child lock up here. And so always lock this if you have your kiddos with you.
There's your grandbaby.
See, red would be locked, green would be unlocked. You want to push this down, all the way down, and slide. So out here on the balcony,
It's alright size balcony.
we do have 2 lounge chairs and a little small table here. Not a bad size balcony, it's pretty decent. So that'll do it. And this is NCL Aqua room 9738, and it's a balcony room. Alright, like and subscribe, put the thumbs up, that helps us channel a whole bunch. Yay, thank you, thanks for watching, bye for now.